This is a 2011 Honda Ridgeline. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.